What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of Sony WH-CH520 Bluetooth headphone. So we will talk about its design, features, audio quality, battery performance, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Inside the retail box you will find the headphones along with a USB Type-A to Type-C cable and some quick start guide and user manuals. Talking about the design and build quality, the WH-CH520 is an on-ear headphone that is reasonably well built. The frame is made of plastic and the ear pad and the headband are made of faux leather foam. They don't look super premium or sturdy, but they don't look cheap or poor as well. It is decently comfortable and do not exert lots of force on your head or your ears, as the headband and the ear cups are very well padded and they are quite plush. But due to the on-ear design, you will need to adjust them time to time to get the right fit on your ears. Since this is an on-ear headphone, the noise isolation is quite weak and it also does not come with active noise cancellation. So in crowded, noisy places, you will feel a bit difficulty in listening music on these headphones. It comes with 3 multifunctional buttons that you can use to perform various tasks. You got a microphone and there is no 3.5mm jack provided at all for wired connectivity. The ear cups can rotate to lay flat, but one big drawback of the design of CH520 is that you can't fold them up, and because of that it takes up more space in your bag. And since it does not come with any kind of case, there is a probability of getting damaged as well. Talking about the audio quality, the Sony WH-CH520 comes with a very well balanced audio profile and way better than other headphones in this price segment. The lows and mids are very well balanced, and because of that you get deep bass and very pleasing and clean vocals. The amount of bass is not too much, and because of the balanced sound profile, you can enjoy all kind of music on WH-CH520. And if you would like to make any changes in the sound profile of the device of these headphones, then you can do this with the help of Sony Headphones Connect application that allows you to customize the equalizer to get the audio output of your preference. And it also comes with various features like multi-device pairing control, voice guide customization, playback control adjustment, many equalizer presets, and you can also use the Sony 360 Reality Audio that provides a great surround sound effect to have an immersive audio experience. You can also turn on the DSEE to improve the audio quality of the track being played, that once again improves the listening experience on these headphones. Talking about the connectivity, the Sony WH-CH520 comes with Bluetooth 5.2 and multi-device pairing feature that allows you to connect these headphones with 2 devices at the very same time. The battery life of these headphones are also very impressive, as it easily provides up to 50 hours of battery life. So with just one single charge, you can enjoy music on these headphones easily for more than a week. Once the battery goes down, you can use the USB Type-C port to charge it. That takes nearly 2 hours in charging the battery from 0% to 100% fully. WH-CH520 does not come with 3.5mm jack, so if the battery is dead, you won't be able to listen music on this with the help of an aux cable. Overall, Sony WH-CH520 is one of the best Bluetooth headphone in its price segment, as it comes with very impressive battery life, very well balanced and above average audio quality, comfortable and well built design, and some nice software based features. Some drawbacks are that the noise isolation is not good and it does not come with 3.5mm jack. Other than these, everything about WH-CH520 is pretty impressive and way above its price segment. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.